Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite stocks of all time, Ag Eagle Aerial System, ticker symbol UAVS. Now, the reason I'm putting this out, and I've been wanting to make this video for a long time, but look at this amazing price we have, guys. $1.96. Wow. It is time to load up on this, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Okay? So, I'm going to start out on Robinhood. Now, this was known as a pump and dump back in April, around April 30th, and that was this time frame right here. You see how it ran up and it peaked at $2.30, and next thing you know it was boom down to $1.06. That is what we call a pump and dump. People pump it up and run it up, and then they have no other ambition but to run the stock up and then cash out. They don't have any interest in the company. It's simply a money maker. And this was because of the news that came out about Ag Eagle, about them possibly partnering with Amazon. Now, that may be a possibility in the future. Of course, we don't know. But at the time, this rumor came out that they were partnering with Amazon, and everybody was jumping in, and there was a lot of YouTube videos out, and they weren't wrong. I'm showing you these because everybody was talking about Ag Eagle, and a lot of people were putting it out in a negative context because it was seen as a pump and dump, okay? Which isn't something you want to get caught up in because you can lose a lot of money. Okay, like I said, it's not that they were wrong. It did follow a pump and dump pattern. Absolutely it did. And a lot of people were like, Ag Eagle, it's just a pump and dump. Okay. So what I want to do is revisit Ag Eagle because at this price point of $1.96, I would advise, and I can pretty confidently advise you guys to definitely buy some of this at this price because I see it going up from here, and I think you're going to thank me for the information. Now, let's talk a little bit about what Ag Eagle is. Now, they are an agricultural drone company. You can read all about it on their website, ageagle.com, but I'm just going to show you some news highlights. Ag Eagle lately has partnered with a company called Valkyrie. All right, and what they do is, and it'll give you all the details here if you care to read it. What Valkyrie does is they make landing stations for the drones. Now, we don't see a lot of these landing stations. Why? Because this drone delivery idea is up and coming, and they're still in the infant stages of putting this all together. But Valkyrie creates these sort of mailboxes that you can drop the drone off at, kind of like the Amazon lock boxes, except the drone's going to fly down, deliver the package, it's going to secure it, and then you can come get it, and you don't have to worry about your drone delivered package sitting out on your doorstep. So this is an important component of the process. Ag Eagle is actually going to be manufacturing their delivery stations for the next 2 years. They have a 2-year contract, okay? It's going to look like this. I'm showing you guys. Where, here you go. See, so the drone lands on this type of package receiving mailbox, and it's got an elevator system inside where the package gets secured, and then, like I said, it keeps it safe for you so your package doesn't get stolen. But this partnership is a done deal. It is the truth, and it's only one of many, many partnerships that I foresee Ag Eagle getting into. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now, looking at their PowerPoint presentation from Ag Eagle, I'm just going to go over a couple little points in case you want to know more about the company. Ag Eagle is a leading provider of drone imagery. In other words, it's going to go fly over your farm. It's going to take these infrared photos of your crops, and eventually Ag Eagle technology saves companies a lot of money because it prevents waste. Okay, it gives you a map of where the crop's doing great, where it's not doing great, where you need the chemicals, where you don't, so you're not spraying the whole field with chemicals. Not only is it economically better for the environment, but it's better on their wallet. And any technology that'll save a company money and make them more green is a win-win, okay? So going forward, it's called precision agriculture. There's a lot of technology involved in agriculture. It's not like the old-fashioned days where you think farming, oh, they're just driving a tractor around. There's a lot of GPS-driven, high-priced machinery that's being used today. Okay, I actually studied this in college. Okay, so this has a whole presentation you can go through. There's a beautiful picture of one of the drones right there. Okay, and you can see how it zigzags over the field, comes back to base, and they download this data. And this data that Ag Eagle collects is invaluable. Guys, we're in a data revolution right now. Data is so valuable, okay? And that data is going to be able to be studied for years and years to come. It's always great to have this data available, okay? So you just go forward. It helps detect damage done by insects, which is a huge cost to farmers and agriculture in general, okay? So this technology saves them money, guys. That's really the only way you can really look at it, okay? In a simple way to look at, well, do you think this company will be profitable? Absolutely, because it's going to save them a lot of money, thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? Sustainability is key. It's going to help these companies become sustainable. It'll help them be eligible for certain grants because they're a green company and sustainable. It's just the future and how we have to move forward, okay? All these companies are interested in sustainability, okay? And they get ranked on their sustainability. So that's public information. So using this technology will help you become more sustainable and rank better, and overall give investors more confidence in your company and more likely to invest in your company, is how you can look at that. Okay. All right. So I'm really fast forwarding quick through this, but it has amazing ton of information. If you are interested in the scientific details of what they do and how they do it, you can look at one of these presentations. There's several of them on the main website. Okay, so again, the hot news is that they partnered with Valkyrie. Okay, and guys, this is just one of many partnerships, okay? They're doing great things. And you want to jump in at 196? I know I'm going to be loading up a lot more shares at 196. I hope you do too. It is my favorite underdog company. It's gone way beyond being a pump and dump. Back here in April, surely it was, okay? It was a pump and dump. It followed that pattern, okay? It followed that trading pattern, but look at how it's run up since then, okay? It's starting to gain momentum because people are starting to notice that this is drone technology, and this is technology that is up and coming. It is the future. And at this point now, we're having a lot of market fear right now because of the Rona and because of the election that's next week, but I guarantee you Ag Eagle is going to pop from this point forward. Definitely put it on your radar, and definitely if you want to load up under $2, I would highly recommend that you do that. Okay, this company's going places, guys. Don't underestimate the Ag Eagle. The Eagle's out and she is flying. Okay, guys, have a great Halloween. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Please subscribe and like this video if you thought it was interesting, and please check out my description below for a lot more links. If you want a link to Robinhood, if you want a link to Webull, and if you want a link to a stock market academy, if you're a new trader, I have that as well. Use my affiliate links for those 3 things. I get a little bit of a benefit from it, but you will get a huge benefit from it. So please check those things out below, and I'll be talking to you soon. Have a great day.